Remember, this cost of production of this box is 1,400 Uganda shillings. So I don't know how much you sell school chalk in your area. You might find it is even at 4,000. Some of you sell it at 5,000. So there is profit in simple terms. So come buy yourselves this starters kit, and of course you will never regret venturing in school chalk business. Well, to all friends, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for sticking around this channel once again. My name is Michael, and today I just want to talk about this box. As I told you, this is our general brand that we introduced for starters. It is partly part of our starters kit. Instead of selling to you plain white boxes, so we have branded this box for starters. You can buy this box from 100 pieces. They will be readily available, and you can order it anytime. So if you get money, you can get customized boxes. As I told you, each box goes for 500 Uganda shillings, and you can buy a minimum of 100 pieces. And if you want customized boxes, we also have them, and those boxes are also 500 shillings, but the minimum order is 500 pieces for the start. These general brand boxes are available, so anytime if you feel you want to start your school chalk production, mostly those people who start with clamped molds, you can order these boxes at any time. They will be available, and they will be grateful to serve you. So they pack 150 pieces of school chalk, as you can see. So we have only 150 piece box. So there is these are a few descriptions that are here: standard school chalk, dustless, long lasting, smooth, and non-toxic. Remember, this box is a general brand. No one owns copyright of this box except me. I'm the one who can find it in the market and ask who is the owner of this school chalk, but no one else. So there is this option for standard school chalk made in Uganda by standard school chalk manufacturers. And here there is option for telephone number. If you want your customers to reach out to you through your packaging, you can write here your phone number and your location. So for now, these boxes are readily available. You can make yourself an order, and if you buy our starters kit, these are the boxes that are on our starters kit. We give one mold of 100 cavities. We give 100 pieces of school boxes, and also a bag of POP at only 320,000 Uganda shillings. We do deliveries in entire Uganda, and of course that one comes at your cost. So we do deliveries, and the 100 cavity mold is like this. This is the mold. So we give this mold, we give 100 pieces of boxes, and also we give one bag of POP, and that one is our starters kit. So people were asking me, how much do you make from this starters kit? Of course, one bag of POP, if you are so careful and you don't make broken chalk, it makes around 70 to 80 boxes. And I don't know the prices in your market, but if you sell more than 30 boxes, you'll have covered your costs of production. So there is a lot of profit. Remember, this cost of production of this box is 1,400 Uganda shillings. So I don't know how much you sell school chalk in your area. You might find it is even at 4,000. Some of you sell it at 5,000. So there is profit in simple terms. So come buy yourselves this starters kit, and of course you will never regret venturing in school chalk business. If you get difficulties in making profitability, if you have a problem with the marketing and the like, just keep in touch with me. I'll guide you step by step on how you can make money, even when you don't sell school chalk. Did you know that you can make money without selling school chalk themselves? But if you have this these boxes and one bag of POP, you can make even 1,000,000 Uganda shillings. That's a secret. Thank you so much for watching. Just feel free to come to my inbox and I will show you how you can do that. Have a nice time. Bye-bye.